Guys, today we want to go and see how Yakub is making his Lego. He's very, very creative when it comes to Lego. He makes different things using his Lego. So today I want to ask him some questions about his Lego. Let's go there. Here we go. There we go. What? Yakub? Case has to me lo ni. O ti wo kini awe wojo lerun. Àwọn òjòlẹ́rùn lẹ́ni tó bá máa ń wọ aṣọ òtútù lásìkò oorun tàbí lásìkò ooru tàbí lásìkò oorun. Afira, pásọ mi lẹ̀. Mi gbọ́. Mi gbọ́. Mi gbọ́. Mi gbọ́. Mi gbọ́.
Daddy.
Yeah. Wàhálà dé bọ̀. No. Anyway.
Èyí kan bọ Yorùbá dáadáa.
Èmi ò gbọ́ Yorùbá dáadáa. Sọ gbọ́ Yorùbá jù mí lọ. Ó gbọ́ Yorùbá jù mí lọ. Ó gbọ́ Yorùbá jù mí lọ. Bàjẹ́. Okay, tó bá mọ̀ kó bá gbọ́ Yorùbá jù mí lọ. Then I'm gonna ask you some questions. Let's see who is the best in Yoruba between me and you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, have your seat. Okay, now, what is a corridor in Yoruba?
Ọ̀jẹ̀.
Wow, he got it. What is a balcony in Yoruba?
Gbàgede.
Wow, he got that one too. What is a driver in Yoruba?
Awakọ̀.
Oh my God. 3 out of 3. Okay, what is... You won't get this one. What is a passenger in Yoruba?
Ẹ̀rọ.
Oh my God, you got it too. What is a floor in Yoruba?
Ilẹ̀lẹ̀.
Wow. Okay, I know you're not going to get this one. What is a floor in Yoruba when we talk about first floor, second floor, third floor, something like that? What? Aja. Oh my God. Oh my God, he got it too. Okay, what is a roof in Yoruba?
Òrùlé.
What? Orule, you got it. Oh my God. Okay, I think you are the best when it comes to Yoruba, and Yoruba is better than me. Clap for yourself and have a wonderful day. I will give you a gift tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.